Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin this morning. Let's just go out to the daily chart, take in what's happening. At the moment, we are stuck in this huge range. We talked about this super bullish candle, and it could be, a false move to the upside. Trying to figure out where we turn around is the key. So we could go higher, but I am still, if we take a look at the dollar, I'm still bullish on the dollar. This move yesterday, half of it's gone already, but trying to get positioned on a Friday, it's crap that we have to wait all week. Thursday the news comes out, we have to let that settle, and then on Friday we have to try and, get positioned for the trades. But mostly it'll be probably next week. But I'm still bullish the dollar. I think this move to the downside was maybe people getting out of positions. I don't know, maybe people trapped after the news. But all in all, still dollar bull. Bitcoin. Let's just take a look on the hourly. This Monday high, acting as resistance here. We do have a sort of small resistance going through the market. Break above, now retest. People will be trying to get in long. Maybe we get a reaction. If we fail to make a higher high, break down with speed and then retest, then these people will be trapped at long at this level. And yeah, it could be pain train coming. So that's what I'm waiting for on Bitcoin. Yeah, still biases to the downside, and every move in my eyes should be faded. We had a big move here, just totally collapsed and faded. It's just like big move, big move, it's a big move. They just get sort of faded. So this looks like a big move, and I'll just be waiting for price action. So bias is bearish in that, and we'll just have to be patient with that. Aussie dollar is something that I'm looking at. We did take out Tuesday's high. That is, you heard me talking about trying to get in at daily highs and lows. This just didn't give me an entry, so hoping for a little bit of a pullback. We do have this high, so if we can pull back into yesterday's high, then look for another breakdown. That would be nice. So I'm still going to be remaining bearish on Aussie dollar, so hopefully this just doesn't collapse. We can get a pullback, get some nice price action, and try and get involved. We'll also mark out Monday's low in case we get a bounce there, and can use a deviation, so a bounce, something like that. Use this as a stop placement, and then we're targeting new lows in Aussie anyway. So it looks like the traps are already been set, so this push up, and then a lot of people trying to buy today takes out a daily high. Now we've got the slow grind lower, as I talked about yesterday. So that is the main instruments I'm looking at. I don't want to cloud up your head with too many instruments. Aussie looks the weakest to me. Pound looks the strongest for some reason. There's a lot of news coming out of the pound, and yeah, it's best just to stay away. I've been staying away from that for weeks, and I'm going to leave it there. Aussie pairs, we do have Aussie yen. That's Monday high. If we can get a bounce, failure to make a higher high, and then break down, then structure will be broken, then we're below Monday's levels, and then we can look to sell. That's what I'm waiting for. Let's take a look at SPX daily chart. Now this is still bearish, and people are, as they do, trying to catch a bottom, like they did here with this bullish candle, came down, wiped them out. Bullish candle, came down, wiped them out. Bullish candle, it's going to come down and wipe them out. There's nothing that has changed fundamentally that I can see that this becomes bullish. It's not good out there, and the Fed is going to remain hawkish, and yeah, that's all I can really say. The move really surprised me. It just looks like a trap to me, and yeah, so any trades I take, I'll post into the group. That's my thinking. I was looking at Euro Aussie today, but we didn't quite take that daily low that I was looking at, I was looking in here for a trading opportunity, just didn't come low enough, which is a bit of a pain. But maybe we get one more sweep lower. If we look at those lows, quite clean. One more sweep lower, then we can follow structure, and then so something like this. One more sweep lower, get above, and then that's where you're looking to get long. So yeah, Aussie pairs are my favorite at the moment. They just look the weakest out of everything. I'd stay away from pound, probably stay away from euro at the moment. And yeah, any trades I take, I'll post into the group. Closest to trades is probably Bitcoin shorts and Aussie shorts. So yeah, like I say, I'll update you if there is an update. Sorry for the lack of trades this week. It's just, I was better to stay out of the market. As you can see, a lot of fuckeries going on. But yeah, we'll make up for it next week, because we know that the trap is set. We just have to get positioned now to take advantage of it.